How to fix F1 TV app not working. Let's get started. Solution 1. Update the app to its latest version. For that, launch your Play Store or App Store. Now at the very top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in the app name F1 TV and then search for it. With that, app will appear. After app appears, at the right corner of it, you're gonna see the option of open or update. If you find the option of update over here, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Solution 2. Clear cache for the app. For that, launch your settings. Scroll down, navigate to the option of General. Now head over to the option of iPhone storage. Over here, you're gonna find if an apps are installed in a device. Find the app F1 TV. After you find it, open it. Then click on Upload app. Click on Upload app. Uploading app clears cache for the app. Now click on Reinstall app. Once completion of reinstallation process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. If these two solutions doesn't work for you, what you can do is completely delete this app from your device and reinstall it. For that, click on the option of Delete app. Click on Delete app. With that, the app will be deleted. Now I can close this. Launch your Play Store or App Store. Search for the app F1 TV. After app appears, install it. By following these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can easily fix F1 TV app not working. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.